So I'm going to show you the bots in Kucoin because, like I said to you guys, I use, see here in a position, I use 3 commas, I use Pionex, and I use Bitsgap, and I also use sometimes Kucoin bots. And the way that you find Kucoin bots is going here to trade, trading bot. These bots really are not the best, but this is how the interface looks. We got Spot Grid, which is where you need to start when you're new bot trading, because that's bot trading. This type of bot trading is less risky. It's the less riskiest. We got Futures Grid. This is where you can leverage money you don't have in long or short the market. Okay. And then we got Smart Rebalance. I don't want to switch to Classic. You got DCA. Wants to switch to Classic. You got Infinity Grid. Wants to switch to Classic. So Spot and Grids is here. Smart Rebalance, DCA, and Infinity Grid bots are in another interface. So this is how it looks. You got a leaderboard of people that are bot trading and the percentages they're making. You got hot combo, coin pairs like ETH and perpetual, but this is now Futures Grid. Let me go back here, spots. You got leaderboard and Spot Grid, and you got hot. I will not trade Blanc. I don't want to have anything to do with freaking Luna Classic. Luna new one. Luna new. Luna is going to implode and it's crap. Now, Sol, I like Sol. So I can actually come here. It has gone down 33% and start a bot, do a back testing. I can do a back testing, which is basically, it checks the past history of that coin pair to see what kind of profit you will do. It says 7 days is 1.17%. If I change this to another, to older, I wouldn't do it older because it's too far in time. The parameters and all that stuff, so you can actually choose, hey, I'm gonna do a minimum, I can do 100% or minimum, whatever, and then you could create a bot here. Okay. That's spots. Okay. I will not tell you to set up a bot in futures if you're new at bot trading. Don't do it. You will lose money. But anyway, I'm going to go and I don't even want to set this here because I don't want to teach you how to set this. But if I was actually trading, I will take and bot trade BTC here. Okay. And you have to decide, is the market going to go up or the market going to go down? So if you think the market is going to go up, it's going to go long, you're going to go long. You go short when the market is at the peak. So you go, so it goes down. And you long it when the market is at the bottom. So, right, you do technical analysis, you use indicators, then you decide, and then you do that. Anyway, I'm not going to do that here because I don't want to show you how to do that. But if you want to see, besides spot and futures, what the other bots, if you want to do a smart rebalance, this strategy is currently not supported. You have to go to the, because this is a new version, you have to go to the classic version. It's going to take me to classic version. It's going to open a new tab where I can actually set up a spot grid, a futures grid, a small rebalance, a DCA infinity bot. If you're new and you never bot traded, I recommend that you do just a dollar cost averaging bot. Okay, a dollar cost averaging bot is pretty easy to set. You create, you choose a specific coin. Let's say that you want to buy XRP every hour starting now, $1. So that's $24 of XRP every day, multiplied by 30. 24 multiplied, because you have to have the money to do that. 24 multiplied by 30 equals $720. So your dollar cost average into the market. I'm going to actually buy $720 and I'm going to do $8 every day of every hour. Okay, so every hour is 24 hours. Wait, 24 hours multiplied by 30 is 720 hours. So that's $720. Yeah, $720. So I'm going to just put $800 in here before I go and do that. You don't make money with dollar cost averaging because you're buying to hold. Okay, so I'm just going to buy just $800. Go back here. $800 of USDT. Okay, $800 of USDT. It's gonna give me 748. Okay. I don't like that. That's too low. Let me check on third party because sometimes third party is better. $800. Okay. Of USDT because I want to buy it slowly. It's saying there's going to be 70.75. 70.75. What was the other one? 775. I think it was 749. 775. Let me go back and check. Sorry, guys. Need to get my coffee. And put $800. And it said it's going to give me, yeah, no, third party it is. So $800 USDT. And I'm going to go here. It's going to give me more. That's why I'm going to go with it. It's going to take you out of here. I'm going to stop so you don't see my info. It's asking me to confirm my bank account that I'm going to spend $800 in here. So I need to accept that transaction, view your account. Do you have it? Yeah, you go next. And then it's going to send me now an authorization in mine because this is a foreign transaction. And I'm going to say, yes, I authorize an $800 thing. And then I go and I verified. And it should go. And it's successful. And it's telling me, so I'm going to go back. It's going to wait a little bit. They take a little bit to show, to get your money in there. And then all you do is just create that trading bot, waiting for them to basically give me that money so that I can actually do that. And I'm going to buy $24, $1 every hour for 30 days, which is $700 something of XRP. I'm not going to wait, so I'm going to do that DCA bot here in Kucoin because, like I said, I know how to use Pioneer Commerce and all this stuff. I'm going to do it because I know the money's going to be there. $1 every hour. And maximum investment, I don't want a maximum investment. I want it to go 1 hour, every hour, $1. Then I'm going to confirm. And then now I'm going to buy $24 of XRP every day until I stop it. And you can stop it by clicking here. If you want to change it and edit it, and you want to do less than those parameters, and you want to change it to less than an hour, just click here, and then you click on how many hours you want to do it every day or whatever. So you can actually modify it, and now my bot is running. So it's going to be buying and dollar cost averaging XRP with me all day for as long as I have it. And I'm going to keep doing this and buying every hour because I'm not buying enough XRP. And the way, the reason that you do dollar cost averaging is so that you're able to take advantage of whatever, you balance out the volatility of the market. So I'm going to keep buying that every hour until I decide to stop it. But remember, you have to have the money in your account to be able to set these bots. That's why I bought the money first. I bought the USDT first. So I hope you like this. Follow me for more on bots and trading and crypto news. See you later and peace.